In this video, we will show you how to change listing title on Amazon. If you guys want to get started with Amazon, you can use the links down in the description. Start by going to Seller Central at sellercentral.amazon.com. Then click Login in the upper right corner and enter a credential. After logging in, hover over Inventory at the top left and select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Find the listing you want to edit. If the Edit button is available, click it. If not, click the drop-down beside the product and select Edit. Now go to the Vital Info tab where you can modify the product name, which is the same as the title displayed in search results. Update the title as needed. After that, ensure all required fields are completed. Next, scroll down and click Save and Finish to submit your changes. A green confirmation will appear on the Manage Listing page, indicating that your updates were successfully submitted. It may take up to 15 minutes for charges. It may take up to 15 minutes for the changes to reflect on Amazon. So that's how to change listing title on Amazon. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Amazon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.